I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hair level and porosity so the EQ shade responds predictably. Once done, put on gloves and measure precisely. Use the Redken EQ shade with the recommended ratio and mix into the color mixer bowl. Make sure to pick a developer strength that matches your lift goal, 10 or 20 volume most common, because developer controls deposit and lift. Do a quick strand test to observe tone and timing, then note the result so you can adjust the next steps confidently. You'll move efficiently through defined sections so application stays consistent. Once you divide the hair into quadrants, apply the EQ shade starting at the roots and comb through to ends for uniform coverage, working in 1/4 to 1/2 inch subsections. Make sure to emulsify the product into the hair every 5 to 7 minutes to encourage even processing. Keep a timer running and visually check the development. Stop processing when the target tone appears. Typically, you finish by rinsing thoroughly until the water runs mostly clear, and then apply a Redken post-color conditioner for 1 to 2 minutes to seal cuticles. Once dried, assess the hue under natural light and decide if a toner or diluted EQ shade is needed to neutralize warmth or deepen tone. If you see uneven results, do a small retouch on an inconspicuous section and perform a 5 to 10 minute pause test on a strand to avoid overprocessing. This quick test prevents larger corrections later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.